Welcome to Travels Unfiltered. I'm Ben, and today we're putting the Charmast Slim Portable Charger to the test. In this video, we'll be reviewing its features and assessing if it truly is the right fit for travellers. It's time to unpack the Charmast Portable Charger. Inside the box, you'll find the sleek charger itself, about the size of an iPhone X, making it highly portable. It comes with two cables, a USB-A to USB-C and a micro USB. There's also a user-friendly manual and a convenient travel pouch. Taking a closer look at the charger, it boasts a powerful 26,800 mAh capacity, making it a top-tier power bank. It offers four outputs, two USB, one USB Lightning and one USB-C, a micro USB, USB-C and Lightning cable. This versatility allows you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. 4 LED power indicator lights keep you informed about the charger's status, and it has an auto power off feature to prevent overheating. Plus, it's protected by a durable rubberized cover. Our Samsung S21 Plus was fully charged 4 times in under an hour each time. Charmast claims you can charge an iPhone 13 up to 5 times or an iPad mini 3 times, which seems plausible based on our tests. We recently put this charger to the test during our travels in Southeast Asia. It proved its worth when we landed at the airport, saving us from hunting for charging locations after long flights. It was also a game changer in hotels with limited power outlets. It's compact, making it perfect for sightseeing. Overall, the Charmast portable charger performed exceptionally well during our adventures. With its outstanding performance and features, we give the Charmast portable charger a 9 out of 10. The only thing that would improve our score would be making the charger smaller, but for the charging capacity, we know it's not possible. So ultimately, this is our favourite power bank for travelling that we've come across. You can find it on Amazon through the link in the description box of this video. If you have any thoughts or questions, share them in the comments section below. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel tips and videos. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and share it with your friends. We'll see you next time.